Hi, I'm Paul from VeloWorks and it's custom build time again here in the workshop. Come join me to find out what's been happening with this lovely Colnago C64. So the bike came to me with the frame stripped down. The customer had stripped off the old group set, which was from SRAM, and they wanted a lovely Dura Ace group set using the same wheels. The build itself has been relatively straightforward, no major hurdles, just the usual ones of threading things through frames. But let me tell you, what's been the biggest hurdle with this build? So let's start with the wheels. They're Fulcrum wheels, very nice wheels, but he had a SRAM XDR free hub body, so that could only mount SRAM XDR cassettes. So first things first is I had to find the right free hub body, which with some manufacturers is a bit of a mission. Thanks to Bob Elliott, who's a distributor, for helping us out. I didn't actually talk to Bob Elliott. Bob Elliott's the company, but they were really good at helping me out with the right free hub body. So got that done. Then the next hurdle was to find the bottom bracket. Now in Colnago's infinite wisdom, they fitted this with a T45 bottom bracket, which is specific to their frames. And the one that was on the bike was from Ceramic Speed, and it had a 30mm axle for a SRAM chain set. We needed a 24mm axle. Oh, what a drama. I think I've been waiting about 2 months for this bottom bracket. Ceramic Speed don't make a T45 bottom bracket anymore, so I had to get one from Europe somewhere. But yeah, what a mission. But it's all done, and it's a cycling ceramic bottom bracket, and it is really nice. It spins really nice. There's two options, I believe, for these frames, the C64 and the C60, that you can have cups. So they're Colnago cups screwed into the bottom bracket that you can then press fit a bottom bracket into, a regular kind of press fit bottom bracket, which we do have on another custom build that's coming, a Colnago C60 rim brake version. But this one didn't have the cup, so it had to have a full bottom bracket. But it's worked out well. It's just taken a while, a few months. And those were the main hurdles. And I had to do them in steps to make sure, right, we can sort the wheels out, and then we can sort the bottom bracket out. Otherwise, the cost goes up and up and up. But it's had a lovely Dura Ace 12-speed Di2 group set. Let me take you through some of the specifications. So the customer has requested for this build, obviously a Dura Ace group set with a 50-34 chain set, 165mm crank lengths. We've got pedals to put on, but I've just got my park tool device just to, while I'm building the bike. He's gone for an 11-30 cassette, so nice and racy, and just everything kind of standard Dura Ace, and it all has come together lovely. It was a very nice frame to build up and build into a bike. Everything slotted into where it needed to go. I had to get an aftermarket battery mount. That has all worked out fine. So it's been a good build, a nice end to the week. So what do you think about this type of project? Is it a good way to reuse a bike or upgrade a bike? The customer's had it for quite a while. He's very committed to the bike, and now it's got a new lease of life. The only thing left to do is put some lube on the chain, and then when the weather is drier, take it for a bike ride. But before that, I do need to put bar tape on, because it's not going to be very good exposed like that. So yeah, I'll finish it off with some bar tape, lubricant, and take it for a test ride when the weather's better. But it's been a lovely build, and it's really nice to be working with these higher end products. And as I reminded Sarah, her favourite rider, Roglic, has ridden these chain sets. If not recently, definitely in the past, but I think recently, because I think they're still on Shimano. And she found that very, very exciting. So yeah, great to be working with these products. If you like what we do, please subscribe. If you want a custom build, give us a shout, as we specialise in them. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.